Hi guys, welcome to my channel Treasure Hunter and DIY. Today I showing couple of pottery birds, some Wedgewood, some soap stone and onyx owl. All those obviously I won on auction. I just started my day really well. I just received a bid on one of my items, and then I sold the cat lamp. If you guys remember, I showed you the cat lamp is sold for £45, so I'm happy with it. Alright, let's go start what I actually keeping from this lot. Let's go start with the onyx. This is an onyx hand carved owl. I know before you guys saying it, yes, it doesn't look like an owl. I know, but this is an owl, a very old, primitive, carved art. You can see it is nothing look like this. I know when I was bidding on it, actually my fiance said it, what is this? And I said it, this is owl. And then he said it, well, it doesn't look like owl, this looks like something else. And yeah, I telling you guys, yes, it doesn't look like owl, but this is owl. I actually collecting onyx. I love onyx. It's absolutely stunning stone. I love it. Obviously you guys saw the salt rock owl. That's the white owl. You remember, guys? I hope you do. That one, or if you not, you can check it out on my YouTube channel in the videos that have the video where I showed you guys. Yes, and I collecting owl. Absolutely love onyx because it's a beautiful rock and kind of expensive rock one. So I don't have kids, but always thinking if I collecting them and obviously is already old, when my kid gonna be 20, he can sell it for good money, as this onyx is worth a lot. Look at this absolutely stunning colors. I so in love with onyx. Don't know why, but I love the onyx. It's beautiful and so shiny. This one, I want it for a couple of pounds really. It's always the postage what is cost me more purchase. And in a second I telling you guys without showing too much what I actually bought, and I wasn't made a video yet about it. Alright guys, here is it. I got this small onyx owl figurine for £1.75 and £3.10 was the postage. So I wasn't spending too much on it, but this is worth the money. Well, for me, worth the money. I said it is really primitive hand carved. Probably the eye being applied later on That's what I'm thinking. But it's absolutely stunning. Alright. So I'm not selling it because I'm collecting onyx, anything what is onyx, and owls. I can have a bird. The owner doesn't let it, so where I renting. So I can have a bird, I can have a cat, so I decide to collecting cat and owls. I love them. Alright, the second item where I again not selling it because I collecting them. This is soapstone. And I don't know how much you guys can see it. There is inside the big owl have a little tiny bit of small owl. This is hand carved as well from soapstone. Usually going on eBay, really expensive, the soapstone figurines. But I got this one cheap. Look at that artwork. Again, it's still primitive and still very old, and it's soapstone. But I think so absolutely beautiful. If you're thinking this is a stone and they are actually hand carved, I think so is beautiful job. Again, I'm not selling this because how I sell it, I'm collecting soapstone figurines or onyx figurines, owl, cat, whatever. I can have a house pet, so I decide to collecting them. Again, I'm not selling, so you can find on my eBay shop, which is Treasure Hunter 83. But I can show you guys how much I actually bought this little thing. Alright, this was £1.99 and £3.50 was the postage. Absolutely stunning thing. Alright, I'm moving a little bit over there. Let's go talk about this Wedgewood table light. I love Wedgewood items. I think so the artists who make it absolutely amazing and talented. Try to focus on it. You see guys, that is the Wedgewood made in England, or the stamps, and is have the 75, what means is been made 1975. Stunning. So actually I collecting Wedgewood as well, but I just collecting colors. At the moment I have two, green, blue, and that's it. This one, if you, I'm gonna hold my camera with my knees, oops, and then I'm gonna show you guys. You can take it out. That's how it looks like inside. There is the, you can fill it up with gas. Here is the little fringe, extra fringe. There you put it. Now this one have gas in it, but some reason doesn't sparkle. Here you can make it bigger or smaller, the light. Some reason it doesn't sparkle, but for collector is not gonna be using it. Collector gonna be just collecting for decoration. Now I want this one. In a second I'm gonna tell you. Here we go. £3 and £3.20 postage. Now this is in my shop, and Treasure Hunter 83, but I'm gonna put the link in the description under my video. This is how much I sell in it. £15.99. Usually they are going down 15 to 20 pounds. Buy it now. So how I said it, I bought it around £7 with postage, so I just like to double up the money because I have to pay fees and everything else. So it's not like I'm doing things free. I'm not getting anything for free. The next thing, these two birds, they are Pottery. They was coming together as a deal. This little one is from Taiwan. Be completely honest with you, you can see how old is it, because the artwork is really primitive. But I think so is absolutely stunning. Just because it's old is worth more money than what people are thinking. I heard that once, someone's junks can be someone's treasure. That's how I feel it. Might for somebody that was a junk, or I bought it, for me is a treasure because it's an old piece. Now this one, this is a bigger piece, and I don't think so that old like this one, or obviously the artist was different because this is made in China. Have the old stamps on it with the A and the crown, but this artwork is so much life-like, because look at those eyes, they are like shiny, and all the little details, the painting, the making, the wings, absolutely stunning. The legs, I love it. I love this artwork because you can see how exactly look like a bird leg. I'm absolutely amazed with this job. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at how cute. I absolutely love it. That's a bigger one. Now these two was coming as a deal. I'm gonna find you guys. Sorry, it's take time. There we go. There is it. They're saying is a porcelain bird. More likely for me as a pottery, but I'm not sure about it, obviously. Thrush tallest is 12 centimeter. I'm not sure about that one. But if you can see it, I bought it for £3 and £3.94 postage. these two birds together. Now I selling these are separately. The bigger one I selling £9.99 and postage. Absolutely stunning bird. And the little one £4.99. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful birds. Having bigger, you can sell birds really good price, but usually people buying colorful birds. So those are the one who worth money. Now I got this one very cheap, so I just took it. Obviously, thrift store is still not open, so I can go and thrifting for cheaper price will be so much better when they open. Now, if you see anything from this video, well, I actually always working forward with my videos. If you like something, go to my shop, you can buy it. Treasure Hunter 83 on eBay. I'm not guarantee these items, well, these 3 items, because those ones I'm not selling, will be there. Because when I'm making this video and when you're gonna see it in a couple of weeks time, it's not sure it's still gonna be there. But you can try it, obviously. Might is gonna be there, might I gonna sell it in a, sorry, might I gonna sell it in a couple of days time, I'm not sure. But if you like it and you like to have it, you can find it in my eBay shop. I hope you guys doing alright, and I always think I'm trying to make videos at the moment about the items what I bought, how much I bought it, and how much I expecting to sell it. Now, when this all COVID thing is gonna go down, hopefully soon, and I getting permission to filming when I shopping in second-hand shop, then I gonna do videos about the shopping, what I buying, and then I gonna make a other video what is gonna be what I bought, how much I bought it, and how much I thinking I will sell it. Now between these times I sometimes doing DIYs. At the moment I so busy with my YouTube channel and my eBay shop, so I can't really make new DIY videos. What I'm trying, what you have to know about it when I'm buying items, I taking my time to look up and how much is worth and how much I can bid for it, and then I have to wait for the right time to bid on it. So it takes time. When I did that, usually when it's arrived, I making pictures about the item, and then I editing the picture, uploading the picture, pricing the items, and then when it's sad, I wrapping up and I send it off. So it's lots of work. So sorry if I can do DIYs. But until my next video, please stay safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you guys next time. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.